Thunderworks makes 2 pet carriers now. This is our regular size, and it comes complete with instructions. It says insert dog here, so you won't forget how to use it. Got a safety clip as well as an extra clip for double latching. You need to supply your own pad, like a dog bed, or I actually recommend a towel is the easiest thing, because they're not too thick to take up room. This is one 6-pound dog. We're going to add a 17-pound dog. Give you an idea of its capacity. Okay, duck in, guys. So at some point, the limit of the dogs is maybe around 25 pounds. All right, guys, come on out. Well, it seems that some of you have dogs larger than 17 or 20 pounds. So after a number of requests, we made a little bit larger pet carrier. Now you can't put German Shepherds and St. Bernards in it, but you can put more like medium-sized dogs. And here it is. Same system, it's got the quick release that fits onto Thunderworks luggage racks. And it's secured by 2 screws, or you can get it with its own independent quick release system that mounts onto the spools. The larger pet carrier comes with the same instructions written on the door, insert dog here, as well as the safety snap and an extra safety catch so your dogs aren't falling out. Same thing, we recommend you provide a towel to go inside. And it's larger at the top, which is going to give a lot more room for the dogs to move around. Okay, we're going to put the same 2 dogs in so you get an idea of the size difference. This is JD, he's about 6 or 7 pounds. And here's Jimmy, who's 17 pounds. So you can see they have plenty of room. Let me shut the door. There's also plenty of ventilation, and yet at the very front it is all blocked off if they want to get out of the wind. Otherwise they've got plenty of wind coming through and they keep cool on those hot summer days. And as you can see, you can easily get a dog in the 30-35 pound range. It's up to you how big you want to put a dog in there. You want to care about their safety and comfort, of course. Here we're going to give you some more close-ups inside the box. The entire ceiling is just flat, keeping your rain off if you do get caught in the rain. And then the front has ventilations on the sides, but not all the way through. The middle section is blocked off if they want to get out of the wind. But then as you can see, both the sides and the door have got plenty of ventilation on them. You guys want to go for a ride? You ready to go for a ride? If interested, check it out at indianaftermarket.com for more information and pricing. Thanks for watching.